Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I have another great product to introduce to you. A product that has been developed by a young entrepreneur, and she has sent her product to me for review and for you to see and take a look at it. She is a great little entrepreneur and her name is Luz. So we will find out more about her and her company. And this is the package. The name of the brand is Cusupo. And inside here we have a very unique product. She has sent a thank you. And she says, thank you for working with me on this campaign and sharing my brand with your channel. Enjoy this beautiful leather, and I'm not going to go further until we get in it, but Luz has said thanks, and I am going to show you that it is in here so you can kind of get an idea of the size of it. But I want to tell you a little bit about her company because it is so special, and I know many of you like to support women-owned businesses. You also like to support businesses that are helping create jobs for people that may not otherwise have an opportunity for work. And she has a great story. Cusupo knows companies must take responsibility for their footprint, their impact, and their presence on the planet. They are committed to sustainability, only using responsive and remanaged leather. And we'll learn more about that. They are intent on giving back. A part of every single purchase goes out to Fundanica, an organization at the base of Cusupo mountain range that helps kids with cancer get treatments that they need, and that's one of the things that she does and helps her community. She also makes the conscious choice, even if it means walking the harder path. They strive to be intentional with every step, from manufacturing to banning plastic in packagings. And you can see she used like a paper type product here to ship this in. And there's no plastic here. It's in a little durable little bag, I'd say like canvas bag, with their name brand on there. They care about the future of the earth and the earth's children, putting only good into the world and the best that they can. They are inspired by Cusupo Mountains in Venezuela, where the air is sweet and the world of far below looks happy and healthy. And it may be inspired from Venezuela. She may not actually live there right at this current moment. About the brand, Cusupo creates one of the most environmentally conscious and durable leather goods in the USA. They rescue leathers. Wow, what do you mean by rescue? Well, they rescue leathers from past and give them a new life to lessen the amount of waste in the world. And isn't that a great idea? She found something that was being wasted, just tossed away, and thought, hey, I can do something good with this. Anyways, they also source sustainable leathers from gold-rated tanners to provide the product that is dyed using natural dyes, which gives you less toxic and more durability product. A portion of the profits is donated to the Fundanica, and I don't know if I'm saying that right, nonprofit organization dedicated to providing the medical assistance that we talked about earlier. And these are hospitals in Venezuela, and that is just a wonderful thing. And of course we know that's where the Cusupo mountain range and where Cusupo founder spent weekends hiking as a kid. So she is from Venezuela. Together we reduce impact on the environment, increase our impact on the next generation. They are now based in Long Beach, California. Ooh, what a beautiful place to come to when you go to America, and I'm sure they enjoy that area. About the founder, Luz was born near Cusupo mountain range in Valencia, Venezuela, where she used to hike up to the top and drink fresh squeezed juice from oranges plucked right there. It was on Cusupo that she learned the power of nature and began to feel the responsibility to take good care of it. While working for 15 years designing shoes for brands like New Balance, Fila, Luz visited tanners and factories all over the world, sourcing and selecting leathers. She collected swatches, samples from her travels, and that's what inspired her to start her own leather brand. As she became more conscious of her day-to-day consumption, she realized small changes could mean big progress. She wanted to make it easier for customers to make a difference, so she began to weave sustainably into into her business, and the responsibility leathers were born. Luce is intent on giving back and running a company that makes her proud. She lives in the Long Island Beach area, as we mentioned, in California, where she continues to connect with nature by surfing, running, and biking. She still sends her heart to the Cusupo mountain range by contributing faithfully to the Fundanica organization. So that is a little bit about her, and she has a wonderful company, and we're going to find out more about it. It even says that it's Cusupo Sustainable Leather Crafted for Good and the Cusupo Company. And on the inside here, I'm going to tell you right now before I show it to you, this is extremely soft. And remember, these are leathers from some of the best quality leathers in the world from tanners that use good quality, and these are made from, like, say they're making a bag from one of the name brands that we all know, and they use what they need, but then they scrap the rest of the material. Well, she is able to make this, and this is just one item of many that's on her site. This is a wallet, and it also has a keychain on it, and I want you to see how good quality this keychain is. You can see it's easy to clip. It's nice and shiny. On the inside, this is the place where you would have your credit card, your ID, and there's even a place here for cash and maybe incidentals if you have a receipt that you've got to keep. And then, of course, it's got the Cusupo name on there. And this is what they call the natural color, which almost looks like a faint pink, and that's one reason I chose it. On the inside, she has her card, Cusupo. This is a handcrafted product recreated in California using a leather rescued from the past. Cusupo searches for beautiful pieces all over the world, finding treasures and giving rediscovered leathers new life, new purpose, and a new future of style. This sustainable collection of newly found leather lessens the amount of waste in the world to create a truly eco-friendly leather line, and that is just wonderful. And Luce has also sent a discount code for you all, and it is Miss Jackie Russell, and I will have that down in my description, and it's 10%. You can save 10% on your complete order. But they have wallets that are, I want to say, like for men and women, and some that are just like, you know how those single leather wallets where you just have, like, for example, you just might have this section of the wallet just for your credit cards that you can easily put in your pocket and or your purse or bag. They just have all kinds, and in all colors too. It's not limited to something neutral like I got in nude. They had blue. They have more natural colors like the brown and the black. They have different textured leathers. There's just all kinds of leather. And I'll try to be showing some of that if I haven't, shown it already across there, what I'm talking about. But this is a very, very nice wallet and would fit easily in your purse, in your bag, or in your pocket, depending on where you're going. And I would just ask you to consider getting one of her wallets for somebody for Christmas and or into the year for a birthday or something. Anybody that you know that would love a fine leather product that's not only made from love, so to speak, but also helps children in Venezuela with cancer and treatment. I just think that's wonderful, and I thank you all for your time today, and I thank Luce for sending this over to me. This is so nice and soft. It's just very, very, very soft leather. It's excellent, and I really like it. And thank you again, Luce, for sending this over. And do remember, you can save 10% with Miss Jackie Russell as the code. I will have the link and the code down in my description, along with anything else that I may need to put in there to represent the Cusupo company with their wonderful brand that helps others and save on waste, but so much more. So as for today and the Cusupo company, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.